Firewalla Reports makes it easy to organize, summarize, search, and sort data from all your MSP-managed Firewalla boxes. This new feature comes with a few reports set up for you already. If you click on this top blocked regions report, you can easily see the most popular regions that are trying to contact your network or that your devices are attempting to reach. If you want to dig into your flows a bit more, you can create your own custom report. Here's a report I've created named Blocked Inbound Flows. It breaks down the most common flows that have been blocked from intruding into my network over the last 7 days. Creating custom reports from one of Firewalla's pre-built reports is simple. For example, from this top activities report, we can specify that we're interested in flows from just one box. To do this, I'll click on Filters, then add a filter where box is GSE SJC. I'll also add a filter to narrow down the content categories. I'll narrow them down to just social, shopping, or video. Now that we have those filters applied, you can immediately see the changes in the data displayed. You can also use the search bar to search for a keyword. For example, I can search for Facebook. To the left of the filters is a time picker. The default value is the last 24 hours, but if you click on it, you can choose the last 60 minutes, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or any specific date range or a specific day. If you select one day, you can specify a certain hour-long time range. I'll set this value to the last 7 days. Currently, the columns that are displayed are category, total data transferred, and flow count. Click on the columns icon on the right side of the table to choose columns. The columns displayed affect the way your flows are summarized. I want to see the devices that generated each of these activity types, so I'll select Device, Category, Total, and Flow Count. You can see that now all flows are grouped by device and category. Total data usage and flow count are added up for each flow. I'm currently sorting by the greatest total data transfer, but I can sort by flow count instead by clicking on the column name. Now this report displays the top interesting activities from each of the devices on this particular box over the past 7 days. Since Top Activities is a Firewalla-owned report, you can only save your changes as a new report by clicking Save As. You'll be prompted to enter a name, and you'll be shown a summary of the conditions you set. I'll name this report Gold SE Top Activities. From the Reports page, you can create a report from scratch by clicking Create Report. While we only support making reports with flows data for now, we plan to add this feature for alarms and rules data in the future. I'll call this report Demo Report. Once you click Create, you'll see a list of flows. You can add filters, change the time range, and edit the columns to whatever you want. I'll just add a filter for blocked flows. Once I'm done, I can either update the report with the changes I just made, or save my report as a new report. I'll click Save Report just to update. To rename or delete your report, click the Edit button. You can only rename or delete user-created reports. You can also find a shortcut to reports that filter flows data on the Flows page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a list of the 3 most recently opened reports. Open a report by clicking its name. You can also go back to seeing all flows by clicking All. Clicking on View All Reports under the Flows Reports drop-down will take you to the Reports page. That's our tutorial on using Firewalla Reports. We hope it makes it easier and faster to interpret all the great data available through Firewalla MSP. If you have any suggestions for things you'd like to see next, leave a comment or send us an email. Happy networking!